How to use Lovable. Here's how to start building fully working web apps using Lovable. No complicated setup or external tools needed. Step 1. Go to lovable.dev and create a free account. On your dashboard, click New Project, then type a simple prompt. Step 2. Lovable will read your prompt and instantly build out the front end, layout, and logic. You'll see a live preview of the working app in seconds. Step 3. Want to change something? Just type a request like add a dark mode toggle or change the font size. Lovable updates your app live, no coding or page refresh needed. Step 4. This is optional. If your app needs login or data, you can tell Lovable to connect to Supabase. It will handle tables, auth pages, and even link logic automatically. Step 5. You can connect a GitHub repo to sync your code. This lets you customize further using your preferred code editor if needed. Step 6. Once done, hit Publish to deploy your Vercel or Netlify. You can use a custom domain too if you're building something public. Just a little heads up, Lovable gives you free AI credits monthly, great for small to mid-sized projects. You can upgrade anytime for larger builds. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.